What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing Grubs. It's Monday, folks. We have 3 days left of the Monster Bass Tournament, and we do not want to come in fourth place to Cheater Charlie. So we came back to the place we got the big pike the other day because we did catch one big bass, and the reason why we came here is because we heard there's big bass in here. Part of me is contemplating trying the main lake for a little bit and then going out into the paths, but I just don't know. Maybe I'll go under this bridge here for a second, over to the main lake and fish just around there and then come in. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But if we catch some fish in the main lake, maybe we'll stay in the main lake all day. I don't know. I don't know. All I know is we need to catch one fish today that bumps out our smallest fish. That's been what we've been doing. The only time we haven't done that is the last time. But we fished a brand new body of water with a brand new friend, and it was also a brand new body of water to him too, and a really big one at that. So anyways, I'm blabbing. Let's get the hell out here. I forgot my big camera. No B-roll today, no bullshit, just fish catching. Hopefully, let's do this. Whoop. Haha. One more thing I forgot to mention. For the past few weeks, I've been testing out new frogs almost every week. Last week was the scum frog, got us our biggest bass. This week, we're doing two frogs. We got the live target frog, which we're gonna do today, test that out. And then tomorrow, we're looking at the Spro frog here. So we got a new frog to tie on tomorrow. And we got a brand new frog that we're dealing with today. I mean, we did catch one fish on it the last time we were out, but it wasn't really frog fishing territory. So let's do it. Son of a... Well, folks, we have missed two blow-ups on the Whopper Plopper. One we actually hooked. We saw it was a really actually small pike. That one I have no idea what it was. I'm assuming it was another pike, just because we haven't gotten to the bassy area yet from what happened last time. Of course, anything could happen. This is only our second time here. Just getting to know this body of water because it's fun to actually learn about a place. I've been fishing so many new places lately, like all the time, that you know, it's fun to, like, you know, settle in and get to know a couple places. And this is one that, after getting that big ass pike and decent bass, I enjoy thoroughly. So I'm gonna see what we can put together today here. Two missed blow-ups, that stinks. One of them we didn't even get on film. Good Lord. My goodness. That was a giant. I don't know what it was, but it was huge. Just a dink. Well, all right, two misses on the Whopper Plopper and two misses on the frog. We have a like actual hook on both of them, one on the frog, one, and then two actual misses, like total misses. And the best bites were the total misses, so that's lovely. At least we didn't hook one of the giants. At least we didn't hook one of the giants. A pike? Yeah. frog eater. First fish of the day, the pike. Peace, bud. Fish. That is a big fish, folks. That is a big fish, folks. Ah, yes, yes. Whew. Freaking choked it. Choked it. Yes. He hit like freaking 5 times. This is gonna cull. Wish it was a little longer, but stud nonetheless. All right, let's measure this guy. He's 18. That's gonna help. That's gonna cull. There she is, folks. Nice freaking fish. The grind is paying off, folks. Let's keep chugging. We still have another 17 something we can knock out, and then they're all 18 and above. Taken. Oh my God. Come on, come on. Come on, bud. Yes. Yes. Tank. Another good pike on the flopper. Awesome. So sick. No. No. Fuck. He slipped right out of my fucking net. Look at that. Fucking hole in the net. That's what he got out of. God damn it. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Mm-hmm. No, that was it. That was it. Well, folks, we clearly saw that fish. I don't know if you did, but I did, and I almost had him, and I didn't because I suck. That was the fish. That was literally the one we've been looking for all day. That was at least bigger than 18 inches. We would have gotten at least an inch or two. Man, that really is shitty. Really shitty. First bass on the Whopper Plopper here too. I like wasn't expecting. I thought it was a friggin' pike, and then it was diving like crazy. I thought it was a pike the whole time. Nope, just the bass we wanted. Well, I'm gonna cry, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So right here is the moment when everything really started to go wrong. Hooked a big fish. At least I thought it was big. Oh, it's a big pike. And I actually managed to get it that big. Oh God. And because of all the things that have happened, I really wanted to document this fish. I wanted to take a couple pictures and then release her, because I literally only got to take photos of one fish that day, and this pike was pretty nice. So I got myself all the way up into the pads, and I used my paddle to push straight down right into the ground to anchor me. I pulled my rubber piece that I had right here up over the paddle, and I thought it was good. That is until a 30-mile-an-hour gust told me it had different plans. No, 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 no. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Come on, motherfucker. God damn it. No. Fuck. Then I dumped the pike out of the net. The pike is attached to my Whopper Plopper and my other rod. At this moment, and for the rest of the time that you're gonna watch, I don't see my rod, the plopper, or the pike again. God damn it! I used my net to try and get back to the paddle. Almost lost another rod. And then as I get inches away from the paddle, inches, almost there, so freaking close, so freaking close, almost there, almost there. Oh my God, it's within reach. So freaking close. Now watch how the gosh darn net is filled so full of weeds. That was it. That was the end of my net. And I'm drifting away again. All I had was the butt of my freaking net to get myself back. Oh my fucking God. Failure after failure after failure. Oh man, the current is just so strong. What I did earlier up there did not work here, and while I was trying to get the little dude unhooked, I came undone. I don't even know how. The wind just pushed us so hard we came right off the paddle, which was lodged into the ground. And then I wasn't able to do anything about it. So now we're minus a rod and reel. And that, you know, all right sized pike after the two, like a bunch we've missed. It's just been right after that bass too, to catch that pike, I was so pumped. And man, I was ecstatic, ready to go. And then we're lucky we have our paddle right now. Like, I don't know if you guys saw in the video, but during all the commotion, I had to end up using this, which ended up breaking off from itself because I was using it to paddle all the way to get the paddle. But we freaking made it. I'm in a really bad mood, but that's life. And what we're gonna do, we still got some time, so we're gonna fish. I feel like garbage, and I don't even care if I catch anything at this point. I just wanna relax my mind. I'm gonna try and go around this island in front of me and set up in the pads where we started, where there's not as much wind. Even though the wind, I wanted to play into my favor, and we caught some of our biggest fish today in the wind, and we've lost pretty much all of them. Woohoo! But you know, I'll tell you what, if we end up going out and doing well tomorrow, that'll just make, you know, like these failures, although they suck, especially when you lose one of your favorite rod and reels and Whopper Plopper, that's literally all in a fish's mouth. I know. Actually, he's probably broken off of it by now, but who knows? I couldn't see, and I just got blown around like crazy. Still getting blown around like crazy. Anyways, when you have failures like this, and then you do well a day, a week, you know, a month later, it makes it all worth it. So, although this really blows, I'm gonna try and stay positive here and just keep trucking. Who knows? We might end up with another decent fish. We won't have a net to net them, but yeah, pretty sweet, folks. Pretty sweet. Both on the plopper, those last two. We've lost everything on the plopper so far today. Nope, we got that one pike, but then we lost him. It's just been nothing but failure today, except for that one. I think we got 1.5 inches on that bass. But that was cool. I'll take every inch that I can right now. So let's go do this. Doubt it's still on. Feels heavy as fuck, but. What do you think our surprise is, folks? What is it? It's like Christmas. Is there even a fish in here? Nope. Why would there be a fish? Why would there be a fish? That is a giant. That's gonna make up for everything if we can land it. Why would we want to land anything? Well, folks, what could have been a ridiculously awesome day turned into a pretty crappy day. We should have pulled ahead a little bit. That big bass really should have done us good. We lost our freaking rod. We lost the Whopper Plopper, and we lost the fish all at the same time. We fumbled with the other pike that we got. We missed probably like 3 huge pike, a couple of which we hooked. That bass was the worst part of the day. Losing that bass was the worst part of the day, though. But we're gonna move on. We got a lot of fishing to do tomorrow. We're gonna be fishing literally all day, have dinner with Kyle, and then we're gonna fish all night. So I'm gonna go pack in and cry myself a little tier sandwich and call it a day. But thanks for tuning in. If you hit the subscribe button and the bell, that'll make me feel a lot better than today made me feel. Anyways, I'm gonna get the hell out of here. We'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully tomorrow we have something better to put together for you. Can't win them all. Definitely cannot win them all, folks. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fishing Grubs. Fish out.